Hey everybody, I'm just coming on for a reminder for anyone that wants to join me in my 2 Halloween challenges. The first one again is Friday, September 21st, and this will be for a 3-tier challenge, and this is to decorate a tiered tray, a 3-tier, a 4-tier, 7-tier, whatever tier you have, decorating it for Halloween. Again, that's September 21st, which is on a Friday, and you can upload it anytime you want. There is no specific time. The second one is also on a Friday, September 28th, and that is for a Halloween hutch challenge, and that is to decorate your hutch or anything like that, a cupboard, a shelf, anything you have that you decorate. If you don't have a hutch, that isn't going to limit you. So I just wanted to tell you again about these 2 challenges coming up in September, the 21st and the 28th, both on Friday. I cannot wait to see what people are going to be doing. So until we get together again, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.